Yo, what's going on, guys? Dann here back with another video. Today's video is a very special video because I'm going to be installing a short shifter on my W58 transmission. Not just any short shifter, but with my brand new Cubespeed short shifter, who are also my my very first sponsors. So shout out to Cubespeed for sponsoring me for the shifter for my transmission, and also basically helping me out with my manual swap. It is truly appreciated. Thank you guys a lot. Let's get into this install and see how good their shifters are on these transmissions. Alright, so before I even try and start installing this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the throw on my transmission as it is now and see how far the shifter travels, and then we'll compare it to the Cubespeed shifter and see how far it travels. So let's go ahead and test this out. So here is my W58 transmission, and now it's in neutral. Alright, so first, that's first. Second, goes back quite a bit. Third, fourth, fifth is a little tricky because I'm doing it by myself. Yep. Fifth. Alright, so the best way I can show you guys is through third and fourth, and just straight up and down. So this is neutral, that's third. So that's the throw from neutral to third, and now this is the throw from third to fourth. That's pretty long. Alright, so now that we know how far the throw is for each gear on the W58 with the standard shifter, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Cubespeed shifter box, assemble everything together, and check what came in the package. I already opened it because I was too excited to not open it. Like, who wouldn't be excited to open a box from their first sponsor, which is pretty cool. So I already opened it, but the packaging, it came really nice, all packaged up. I just kind of put it back in the box for this video. Yeah, so let's get to opening this. So here is the Cubespeed box, and it comes all packaged up. Comes with all the bubble wrap and stuff. I already took all the bubble wrap from off the components. They're all usually wrapped in the components. I took it out because I was too excited to wait for the video, or for the filming of this video. So here is the base, right here. Base basically sits where that black part on the bottom of the shifter housing is, right there. So got a nice little Cubespeed, says Cube on the side. It's pretty nice. What else we have in here? Let's take our little bubble wrap out. Alright, this right here is the Z pattern. This is the one I'm probably going to end up using because for the W58 and the IS300, it does sit up quite close to the radio and the dash, so I need more space. So since this goes back and up, this is perfect. But it does come with a second one that's just kind of curved. This is right here. Right here, yep. So this is the shifter, another option. But I'm gonna go with the Z pattern. And I also got me a sweet little Cubespeed knob. Yee, this is nice. If you follow me on my Instagram, I asked if I should keep my Dragon Ball Z knob or change up a knob when I get a shifter, and this is the reason why. So yeah, let me know, guys, if I should keep my Dragon Ball Z shift knob or if I should use this one, because I really like this one. So that's what came in my box for what I got from Cubespeed. Now you can go ahead and go online, see what they got, and see what works for you. They sent me this because of my transmission. If you have an RM54, this would also work, but there's other things you can also look on their website to see. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, assemble this, and then we'll get to putting it on my transmission. Got the shifter installed. Aside from the knob, Got it all assembled, not installed. Got it assembled. It's pretty easy. You just take the bolts that come off of here, you put it on there, and that attaches it to the body. And yeah, so all that's next now is to take off that one and put this one on. Before I do that, I want to let you guys know that because I am sponsored by Cubespeed, I also wanted to try and get you guys a discount as well, because for me, I was able to get a discount on getting such an amazing shifter. So I wanted to also try and help you guys, because you guys, you know, support me. Without you guys, I would not have been able to get this. So if you go to Cubespeed, if you go to their website, you can go ahead and use my code, which is DLF10 DLF10 at checkout, and you get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, I just thought that was really cool of them to offer that for any of my subscribers and my followers, to give them a discount as well, just for, you know, being able to watch my videos and stuff like that. So again, the code is DLF10 DLF10 at checkout, 10% off your entire order. Alright, so it is the next day. Had to do something came up. I had to do something with my friend, and I couldn't really film. I had to, you know, just leave and stop what I was doing. So continuing on, still got the Cubespeed right here. I was able to get the boot up off of these bolts. You're gonna get a 10mm, and you're just gonna take those off. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. So I'm going to get all 4 of those loosened. Just take them out, and the shifter should just pop right up. Oh, the grease. Oh well. But yeah, just take out those 4 bolts after you loosen them, and the shifter should pop right out. Alright, so got the 4 bolts out. They're right here. Got them out. So it should just come off. I have to hold it down with my foot. Okay, that popped off. Oh, there we go. This is the old shifter. Out. It's a little dirty, but it's alright. I mean, what do you expect? It's an old transmission. So I'm gonna put that down. Look in here. I'm gonna have to clean up in there a little bit before I put this in. But yeah, pretty easy to remove the shifter, huh? Yep, after cleaning that to the best of my ability, looks really clean in there. I ended up getting the small rag, putting it in there, stuffing it down that hole, so that when I use the big rag, start scooping it out and then fall in there. So it's pretty clean now. Now we're going to go ahead and try putting the Cubespeed shifter in. So let's get to it. Alright, so probably gonna have a hard time seeing my face, but I have the camera set down. So basically, now to install this, the Cubespeed shifter, there are 4 bolts on the bottom that you gotta take off. We're not gonna need those anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off, and you can unscrew those, and then you're gonna have to hold down this top plate, because there's a spring in here. You're gonna hold down the top plate once you remove all those bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so you see now, to took all the bolts. Now the plate wants to come up, so you got to hold it down. Alright. And basically what you want to do is, while holding the plate down, you want to put it in. And then you want to put it in and try and get like 2 of the bolts that are diagonal from each other to like start the threads. And once you do that, it'll be a lot easier. So let's see if I can get this. I had to sit down on the ground to get a better look, but as you can see, I have the shifter down. I have one of these bolts down, already threaded in. Now I'm pushing down the plate to get the other ones. So I'm gonna do the one across from it. Just try and bolt or thread this one in, and that'll hold down the plate while I do the other 2. Let's see. Now mine's are Allen, so I don't know if these are gonna be regular bolts, but mine are Allen bolts. So use Allen key. Alright, so I got those 2 bolted. Now I just need to do these last 2, and then I can check and make sure everything is fine. Then I'm gonna take it off, get some thread locker, put it on these bolts, and then try and bolt them in again. Got the Cubespeed shifter on. About to go shift through the gears, make sure everything works, and see how short the shifter actually is. And yeah, we'll see how it compares to the original shifter. Got that boy Paul only holding the transmission for me. Alright. So, neutral. That's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. That's crazy. That's pretty wild. Yeah, that shift is no joke. As compared to the freaking original shifter. Let me see, get you guys a better angle of this. So this is neutral. I have to fix the knob. So that's first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth goes hard because it's not in a car. There we go. Yeah, so that's the Cubespeed shifter. Pretty impressed with it. It's a lot better than that garbage right there. So really excited for that. As you guys saw, it shifts pretty good. It shifts really short as well, and it feels like amazing. I have no complaints at all. I can't wait to actually have it in my car. Oh yeah, I brought my car in the garage. Can't wait to actually have it in the car and feel it while I'm driving, because if it feels like that short or feels like that good, like shifting it outside the car and having my friend hold the transmission in place, I don't even know what it's gonna feel like shifting it while it's actually in the car, me driving the car with it. So I'm pretty excited for that. Once again, thank you Cubespeed for sponsoring for this and sending this out to me. And like I said earlier in the video, if you guys want to buy anything from Cubespeed, you can use my discount code DLF10 or DLF10 at the checkout, and you get 10% off of everything on your order. But aside from that, guys, that's really all I have for today's video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Your boy's out. Peace.